Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove your debit card from Gemini app. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a section for payment methods. Tap on Manage Payment Methods. Now, tap on the debit card you wish to remove. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see an option for Remove. Tap on Remove. Then a pop-up message will appear. To proceed, tap on Remove. That's how you remove your debit card from Gemini app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.